I will fly to Iceland for gem synthesis. As you can see, some active volcanoes in Iceland have lava rivers. My drone will drop some materials to synthesize the rock. For instance, painite is a rare gem, which have boron and palladium in its rock composition. Now, I tell you more about the gem painite. Painite is a very rare borate mineral. It was first found in Myanmar by British mineralogist and gem dealer Arthur C.D. Payne, who misidentified it as ruby, until it was discovered as a new gemstone in the 1950s. When it was confirmed as a new mineral species, the mineral was named after him. The chemical makeup of painite contains calcium, zirconium, boron, aluminium, and oxygen. The mineral also contains trace amounts of chromium and vanadium, which are responsible for painite's typically orange-red to brownish-red color, similar to topaz. The mineral's rarity is due to zirconium and boron rarely interacting with each other in nature. The crystals are naturally hexagonal, but may also be euhedral or orthorhombic. They also may have no crystalline structure, but usually are accompanied by a crystalline structure. Until late 2004, only to had been cut into faceted gemstones. Extensive exploration in the area surrounding Magog, which comprises a large part of the extremely small region the mineral is known to exist in, has identified several new painite occurrences that have been vigorously explored resulting in several thousand new available painite specimens.